Hello, this is Carlos Agreja. This is a C++ program, circle calculator. Actually, okay, that's what I'm calling it. Circle point inheritance and calculator. Basically, this must have been when I was learning inheritance, maybe. It inherits a point, and I use one object. So I use a circle type object. It inherits point. So basically, what point does, I'll just show the headers. Point type, we can set the point for the center of the circle. So goes and setters, prints the coordinates. It's basically the private was y and x. So that's that for the point, and then we can inherit. It inherits point type. So inside the circle type, so we can use that. And then I basically just call this circle object, and I set the point as well as this circle type does some things such as radius, print radius, set radius, print radius, calculate an area, print the area, calculate circumference, and print circumference. So that's that, and basically I use one object to set everything. So I guess I'll just show off the GUI real quick, and then maybe I'll show the rest of the code. Let's see, let's get, here it is. So yeah, it's got a GUI. I like to do GUIs, but yeah, in this case you can set some things. Yeah, I probably again didn't have to do a GUI. I probably just thought it would be cool to make a GUI. It's more fun than just running code and getting some output, I guess. Anyways, 1. So, well, let's go with 5. And obviously everything is set to 0. Okay. So let's go with 1 here, enter center of a circle. So once an x coordinate, let's go with 2. And once a y coordinate, let's go with 3. Switch it out there. And what would you like to do? So we set the coordinate, or we set the center. Next is the radius. So let's set the radius. Well, let's see what we got so far. Alright, the x is set, the y is set, everything else is still 0 though. Alright, so let's go set the radius. 2. And what's the radius? It says enter a radius of the circle. So let's go with 2. Just not go too big of a circle. What would you like to do? Okay, so I'm gonna go with 5. I'm gonna skip over to 5. You can calculate the, well, let's calculate the first time anyways. Alright, calculate the area of the circle, which is 1256. Let's calculate the circumference of the circle, just to show that these two options, the circumference of the circle is 1256. So it's the same. They're actually the same in this case when the radius is 2. So I'm going to go with 5, and it displays all. So I'm going to use this one from now on. And I'll change the radius to, so select 2, change the radius, and we'll make that a 3. And then we'll see the values. So I selected 5, so it shows all the values. So I changed the radius to 3, and now the area of the circle is 28.26, and the circumference of the circle is 18.84, and that's pretty much the program. So I'm going to exit out. I'm going to hit 6, and pressing, oh, nice farewell message. So thank you for using the Circle Creator program. Goodbye, and hit any key to continue. Alright, so that's that. So basically that's all the methods for this. Don't really need to go over the CPP. Just going to go over the main here real quick, if there's anything worth noting. So we got the welcome, got our GUI menu here, and so basically, yeah, use one circle type object. I think this was an inheritance, learning how to do an inheritance project or something. So yeah, basically just the GUI and the options. Yeah, so really not much else to show. So that's pretty much it. That's the program. I mean, obviously the calculations, just basic formulas for area and circumference, nothing big. So yeah, that's all it is. Okay, thanks for watching.